In this module, I'm going to show you what you need to do during your product launch. There are three phases in a product launch: pre-launch, launch, and post-launch. If you do not pay extra attention on the preparation, the pre-launch phase will either make you or break you. There are four things to take note of during the pre-launch phase, which is 1. Checking the completion and functionality of the products. 2. Conducting split tests. 3. Site testing. And 4. JV invites. Ensure that your product is completed before the launch. Make sure that it meets all the requirements and specifications of how you want your products to be. For example, if it is software, you need to make sure that it runs smoothly and is not missing any important files. Ensure all of your download links are working. To play it safe, create mirror downloads as well. Next is conducting split tests. Split testing is when you have different versions of your sales letter, headline, copy, ad, or any marketing collaterals. The way it works is, traffic coming to your site is split evenly to the different versions of the sales letter or video. When you conduct controlled tests and gather empirical data, you can figure exactly what works and not works for your launch. The three main things you need to split test is your headline, the price, and also the bonuses. Next is to test the sites. Test your site 2 to 3 days before the launch. Continue to test 1 day prior to your launch to ensure everything's in place. The only way to see if the function is working is by placing an order yourself. Finally, check up on your JV invites. Check in with them 1 to 2 days prior. Ensure they are provided with the correct link to your JV invite page and the specific details of your offer. If you have, let's say, 50 JVs, you must check in with all 50 of them as they are worth every single sale. Compile your JV list on a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet so it will be more manageable and organized. This way you can easily track who has responded to you and who hasn't. There are 3 things to do during the launch phase. 1. Observe. 2. Answer support tickets. And 3. Constant check-ins with your JVs. The first checklist is about observation. You need to once again check if everything's working on your side, from your website technicalities to the server, your sales letter, and most important, your product or service you offer. Second, answering your support tickets. Answer and attend to any support tickets as soon as possible. If there are some complaints lodged by your clients or if they ask for a refund, check with them straight away. You must take this into account and always remember to personalize your support messages to the clients. Finally, follow up with your JVs. Always motivate your JVs with cash prizes every day until the end of the product launch. This is to motivate them to continue promoting your offer. That's all there is to it. In the next module, I'll be sharing with you the steps you need to do during the post-launch of your products.